son, get it in.
We recording. Let me start this bitch off. It's a freestyle battle with a sound off. And it's a carry, nigga. I might carry you.
Hold on. Let him do his thing.
It's like Lower Crown.
Let him do his thing.
Taliban got a marvelous flow. I flip quarterback, no talkers, you follow the dough. You can swallow the foe. And if you snitching, double lock your dough. Cause Westerners will die slow with a knife in their throat. Choke. I hate rappers that be acting and shit. Making videos, dancing and yapping their lips. Don't get mad cause I'm tapping your bitch. You hate the fact that her lips be attached to my dick.
Yeah.
Taps and shit. You flashing niggas be the ones I hate. You make it easy for the police to come and take your cake. Like she units buck 50 your face. So I just use when Taliban shows up.
I'm sorry.
More Whammies than Al Pacino, and you can get your ass hooked like Ice-T did, nigga. Motherfucker, I'm a problem for real. Just send me the life that I parole, and I still won't spill. Dragon, a lot of these cats are talk trash. Coming to a battle, fucking run back. He ain't really sick, dude. We already know. How you really hard, you brought to my man's studio. Julio, dog, you gangsta paradise. I guarantee that send me hit a nigga. It ain't very nice. Every rapper wanna talk about guns. Till they see the gun, running to the church, calling nuns. Your rap is not fun. I'ma get it on the alcohol. Dog, you out your mind. I'ma blame it on the alcohol. I can talk about you anytime cause I ain't right. See, lift off your lid and leave your brains on your white feet. And if you wanna go and talk about your white feet, where she at home sucking on niggas tight, see? Don't wanna go and gas me up because I'm from the hood. Niggas ski mask me up. I'm already on the wall. You already on my balls. Holly Hall, Mr. Hall. Swallow kids like hogs. Damn, y'all niggas don't want me to set it off. Come through your hood, turn your block into the Holocaust. Every rapper with tattoos a bad dude cause they pants sag and they got so much attitude. I ain't gonna battle you. I'm just gonna school you. Treat you like my kid bend over. I'll paddle you. Little ass kid, get your girl. I'll saddle too. Dog flow so back, turn them into shadows, fool. This like stealing candy from a baby. Some got a rattle. And plus they come around with a 380. You ain't sick enough, dog. You ain't hard. I'm the homie you Taliban. You done lost already, dog. You was time to get the line. You was saying you got choked. You don't make no sense. But that's what I do. Listen, I'm a gangster. I'll stab you with the fork. How you a gangster, nigga? You from Buffalo, New York. Niggas talking about that for me. You be
Say Buffalo, New York.
That's a nice issue with
Shut
that.
up, nigga. Well, finish up, nigga.
I ain't gonna battle you.
Is you not gonna get You talking?
How you fresher than me? My pants from overseas. You need to step your game up like Nintendo Wii. My money large like big black security. Seriously? Don't watch me, watch CV. The reason why I assume cause I'll be on BET. Chillin' with hustlers like Sugar Man and TIP. CIB, fresh until I DIE. And make sure my hard tie you be ROC. And every haters out there trying to hate on the kid. No, I about to never ever be fresh as I'm in. You say you
Come on, champ.
come on, man.
Come on, champ. That nigga champ. Come on, baby.
I'm like the watch because I got a lot of bucks. The girl you tell your dick so small, you steady pissing on your nuts. What the fuck? You a whole ass nigga. You don't.
Come on, baby.
You can't stick to the subject, man. Talking all kind of bullshit. Wait a minute, you ain't never gonna be on BET. You be on Channel 4 behind boss raping children. See, you ain't a part of me, son. You ain't sticking to me, son. You ain't really all that hard. Who you came with, son? And you nasty all this talk out. I spit balls, you ain't rich. Nigga, you rode around in my car. You live in my house. You ain't my food. You bitch ass nigga. What the fuck you gonna do? I talk what I see. I talk what I'm out. You ain't really all that gangster. Shut your damn mouth.
Yo, it's Suwu Gang. Nigga, you a snitch. How the fuck you a gangster when you dragons, bitch? Everything that I do is real. I don't give a fuck, nigga. I still won't squeal. I'm ill. I don't care about your little corny ass rhymes. And I don't care about your wife time. I can have your wife on a time or a time in a life. Give a fuck. I put the thing to your windpipe.
I ain't even gonna say it at all. Dragon wasn't he begging to get his picture on the wall? How am I supposed to be Dragon's bitch? You just mad cause me and Dragon about to get up rich. And you be in the store trying to buy our album like, I used to know this guy back in high school. Your flow's not cool. I'm that dude.
You that dude?
So cold like DMX dude.
How the fuck you that dude when you can't even rhyme? How the fuck you get money sucking dick for studio time? Nigga, I'm a real ass nigga. I kill quick, feel ass nigga. You a fake ass nigga. Like Betty Crocker get baked fast, nigga. Leave your half body in the lake fast, nigga. Fuck you and fuck your peoples. I give a fuck. I put the gun straight to your people. You a bitch, nigga. You's a cartoon, characteristic type nigga. You get heart soon. I don't care. I'll leak. I'll open up your chest and run to your heartbeat.
A lot of cats wanna talk and talk, but they ain't really gonna walk the walk. Having your body out round and talk, got the game on lock. He's the vault. You got pepper, but I got
please. Don't dwell on beef. I keep a burner in the pocket of my polo fleece. Half these industry niggas talk shit they don't got. Try to down another rapper so you can say that they not. They say I got this, I got that. Niggas ain't got shit. Broke is Millie for theory, y'all can eat a big fat dick. The realest of the realest is me, so just back up. I had your ass sweating like Whitney when she was cracked up. Holy, I'm too real. I love myself. My mom been fucked up since my pops killed himself. If this is a competition, I'ma come in first. This girl said my sperm like Sprite cause it wants to burn. Fuck is you talking about?
Yesterday. You ain't a battleless sick anyway. You ain't no Facebook bitch ass.
Nigga, I say the girl said my sperm like Sprite cause it wants a thirst.
You was a fake ass rapper because you said that 20 times. You a fake rapper.
You said that yesterday.
You did 20 times. Get your fake wannabe rapping ass out of here. He done said that boy 80 times.
And then we got Lionel Richie trying to coach.
No kind of joke, nigga. You whack.
Say you the champion. Look, the champion is here.
I'm better than you on every day. All mine's off top. You gotta go right to it.
Say, look at the camera all good
You
ass.
mother goose ass rapper.
This
Nigga,
is
your rims is harder than mine.
Everything I do is harder than yours. You can see me on your best day.
Kanye West.
Number one is always. Pictures on the wall already.
Yo, it's not hot.
Whatever, but I'm better than you though. But I'm better. How? Go back to the pen and pad, bro. You're not seeing me.
I'm better than y'all. Y'all can't sing better than me.
Your game ain't up there yet.
No, hold on. They can't sing better than me.
Sing something.
Let me know my name. Talk shit, nigga, it's a prank game. I'ma come down, bang, do my thing. Hoes looking at me, lemonade. Say, hey, yeah, I'm young hustler. Yeah, get out the best.
No, sing, go around. Sing. Sing, that's what you're here for.
Hey, you the man though. What's my opinion? I give you your props. Cause I was hating on you from when he said Suwoo gang. You know he said Suwoo gang.
Undeniably.
You know my business, blood. You say Suwoo, you know what I'm saying?
No, homeboy sick.
He nice, I told you.
No, when you said Suwoo, when the nigga said
he's up
Suwoo,
there.
then I came through. I was like this. When you said Suwoo, I was like this.
But I'm not
better than me.
He said,
Can I get something on the camera real quick?
He got your ass. He
Can I
said,
get one thing
how
on
you
camera?
a gangster? You from Buffalo? Get your tattoos on camera. Yeah. Get that eye.
Yeah.
Tell him what happened to his eye. What happened to your eye? Well, one day.
Look, this is crazy, right? Tell me why I'm chilling in the house, right?
Yeah.
We ran out of fucking hair grease, right? D, what did we do that day?
Man, we jacked up in his head. I ain't even gonna lie.
This nut right here.
Man, them niggas
Them
tripping.
girls is sperm. Them my kids on the
Look at
way.
this nigga eye. I nutted all on his eye.
Scarface.
All on his eye. I nutted in his eye and I fucking made him cry. I ain't gonna lie. Nigga, I stay high.
You had a style, you can wipe the tattoos off.
Hey, they ain't on this nigga. You gotta turn away.
He ain't black. He got a perm. Get your ignorant ass up.
No, that ain't no natural.